Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how I can fix this error. Here you can see it, 0xc000021a. So for fixing this error you just need to go to control panel, just enter in search tab control. Here you can see control panel, so just open it. Now you just need to write in search tab Troubleshoot. Here you can see, and you will see Troubleshoot here. So just open it, and here you choose your also problem what you have, and just click on it, click next, and wait after it will fix your errors, and just close it after you do it. And also you can do what you can do is just go to here, go to settings, click on the settings, and here you choose update and security, and here you choose repair and repair now. So after your laptop will restart, you will see restoration of your system, and you just need to follow all steps and you will successfully fix this error automatically. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.